Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So as long as we deal with the Brexit standing, is less informative the price action stands on the markets. So it's not only on the euro currency but on the British pound as well. So our journey and opera with the Brexit could turn to the soap opera, and even in the Brussels we already hear some statement that when you will decide what to do, please let us to know. So and that makes the reflection and impact on the price action on the currencies. So the same story on the euro currency. So you can see in recent few sessions market stands mostly flat, with no activity. Yesterday we said that overall price action doesn't look bullish, and from the technical point of view at least it seems that it's more chance on the downward breakout. But market right now stands strongly politicized, and the final decision on the Brexit could be significant for the market, because as you know, not only the hard Brexit stands in discussion, that could happen in 12th of April next week, but also the postponing of the Brexit for a year or even longer period. So and some solution should happen on this subject, and as you can understand, that the impact on the market will be different if Great Britain will abandon European Union within the week, or if it will get another year for agreement, and just to make that more civilized. So in the current circumstance, what we could do, it seems that we could just focus on some short-term setups that we have. As one of them, the downward breakout, as we said, and yesterday we talked about the possible taking of the position on the breakout by using the stop entry order. But as market turns up, stop entry order has not been triggered, and market just started some pullback, minor retracement here. That in turn led us to focus on kind of the Jordanopoulos step. So actually, guys, with this downward action, we have 8 bars to the downside. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is minimum requirement number of candles for a thrust by the Jordanopoulos framework. It means that here we could watch for some passion. So maybe it will be double repo buy, maybe it will be Brent bottom sell. For Brent bottom, market should cross the 3x3 moving average and hit the major 30% level, at least 30% level. So 1284. This also will be April pivot point and has not been tested yet. Within this week we will get a lot of different data, and today it will be massive PMI data. Protocols of the European Central Bank meeting also will be published, ADP report, and on Friday we will get non-farm payrolls release. So that is enough amount of the data that could, any of them could trigger the significant volatility on the market. This is the reason why we think that it really could happen. Why not? So maybe we will get on the daily something. That's what we could keep an eye on the daily chart of the euro, while the United Kingdom decide what to do with the Brexit and how to abandon the European Union. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have at least a hint on the possible pattern. This is not really very interesting for daily setup, because on the daily we have the setup based on the thrust, so it will be either opportunity to go short around 1284, the market will hit this area, or it will be chance to buy if market will form the double repo buy. Intraday setup mostly for the scalp traders who trade on the hourly chart and the lower time frames. And here we have the hint on the possible upward direction. That actually the pattern that could start the brand body action. This is hand shoulders, reverse hand shoulders pattern. So take a look while market has hit our XOP target. Here another leg down has been formed, kind of the 618 extension from this action. That is very typical for hand shoulders pattern. When the head stands 618 to the shoulder, we have minor bullish divergence with MACD, and here we just need to see what will happen. So if market will really confirm the shape of this pattern, so that will be the point where you have to make the decision on possibly taking the long position. If you trade long, you would like to trade long euro currency on the intraday charts. Potentially, we could get a kind of the ABCD pattern that will lead us precisely in an area of the 30% level. So here is approximately 1270. The 30% retracement stand 1284. So just 14 pips difference. Maybe market even could form a kind of the XOP target, not the AB equals CD, but 1618. In this case, could climb slightly higher. So that's the pattern to watch for on the 4-hour time frame chart. Conversely, if we see here the drop lower, taken out of these lows, or market will form the head but fail to complete the shoulder, and also here starts dropping lower, that will be bearish sign, and we return back again to idea of possible breakout of these lows. On the hourly chart, what we have, not too much actually. The only probably this market has not quite reached the lower border of the channel and turns up earlier. That could be the sign, maybe some bullish sign. And now we see the breakout of this trend line. But this is minor factors. I do not think that they bring something really important. So on the way up, as you can see here, we have the cluster resistance around the same 1274 area. This is pivot point will be, but pivot point mostly coincides with the neckline. Here will be 1262, 1274 confluence resistance, and it's also accompanied by the previous lows. So they also stands very close to the 1280, this major fib level on the daily chart, 1284. Stands slightly higher, it's just 10 pips higher in this area. So that will be the point where potentially brand body could start if, of course, market will reach it. But in general, overall price action, as you can see, looks not very attractive. It's too slow and choppy, and some real action probably will happen only